Hey guys, today we're going to be making a pizza out of Ascension Magic Clay. So today I'm going to be using this like pinkish color, this brown, and this white. So and these three materials that I'm going to use. So first, open up your pinkish color, which is going to be your dough, and take it out of the packaging. And just put that to the side, throw it away later. And then once you do it like this, you should flatten it out. Like, it should look like a circle, but trust. And then you cut off the remaining extras, like right here. And this is just a slice, so it's not going to be whole. So this part's going to be my crust right here. If it sticks, don't worry, just tear it apart. Just put these in, and you should have something like a triangle with a circular end. Like something like this. And when you're done with this, use some of your leftovers. Roll it out like this until it looks like this. Cut off a little bit, and this will be your stuffed crust. Or your regular crust. Whatever. If it's too long, don't worry. Just adjust it. So here is my pizza slice. It should look like this so far. And if you have any extras like this, just hold on to it. Now we're moving on to our cheese. I'm going to be using white cheddar cheese, Parmesan, for this layer right here above the dough. Once again, take it out of the package and squish it for like a few seconds, like 10. Okay. 1, 2. And then once that's done, flatten it out. And then kind of place it right here. We'll smoothen it out later. And flip it over. Then cut off the remaining extras. If you have some extras hanging down, just tuck it until it like kind of covers the sides. See, I have some right here. And now flatten this part out. If you think if you think you have a little too little of crust, just take off the previous crust, then realign it. Because that's what I'm doing. I think it's too small. If you're realigning your crust, it should look like this. Fit now. Mine's not exactly perfect, but it'll have to do. Again, roll it, cut a little part off. It's white to the side. Suck that. Now, place your crust, and then it should kind of look like this right now. So I'm gonna be adding ground beef, like, and a hamburger for my toppings. So once again, take it out of the package. Unplay with it for like 10 seconds. Spill gets really squishy. Crush the side again. Wait for it for like 10 seconds. Then flatten it. Then cut off a little part. That's going to be your first topping. I'm just going to be like, if you accidentally add too much, cut a little part off, since I accidentally did a little too much, so I'm going to be cutting a little part off. And then place it anywhere you'd like on the pizza. And you can add as many toppings as you want. So I'm at like 5. So we're gonna let this dry overnight. It takes usually about 5 hours. You should, if you like crafts and materials and making stuff, you should really check out this AirDryClay and show me what yours looks like in the comments, and we'll show you the finished product in the morning. Hey guys, pizza's dry. As you can see, it's a little squishy, so if you drop it, it doesn't break. Hope to see you next time. Stay tuned for me making the clay donut, step by step.